In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with any app you want so you can streamline your work and save time. Watch until the end to make your integrations even more powerful. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct workspace. Click your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your main account settings and shortcuts. In the drop-down menu, choose App Center. This is where you can find all available integrations for ClickUp. Now in the search bar, just search any application you want to integrate and choose the application you searched for. Double-check that it matches the correct service you want. Just click Install, connect or configure and follow all prompts that appear to complete connecting it. Be sure to accept any permissions for the integration to work smoothly. And that's how to integrate ClickUp with anything. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!